Hello guys, this is Akshay and I come with my new video, and today I am going to tell you about the four pillar of achieving your success. So let's go. When we start working on towards our success, then definitely failure and some problems will come. Then we don't have to stop at that time. We have to quickly stand up and then again work on that. So success never comes to you. You have to achieve it. You have to grab the opportunities. That's why you will achieve everything in your life. The key to success is you have to focus on the positive. You have to focus in positive manner. If problem come, failure come, you don't have to forward, or you have to move towards our success. Definitely when failure comes, then in our mind there is negative thought come, and they say, yeah, quit the job, yeah, quit the work, don't do that, you are not able to do this. This type of mindset we have to put aside from you. Yeah, then what you have to think, yes, I can do this, I can achieve this, and I can uh, everything I can achieving in my life. Yeah, this type of positivity you should feed your brain. When the thing come to mind, ki let's quit the work, that time um, you should think once ki why we started. Then you definitely got your answer, and you will never think that ki yes, I want to quit this. Yeah, the key to get success is try to focus on your goals, try to focus on your success, but don't focus on your obstacles. There are many peoples are available in the world. They think they can they only see the what is the disadvantages of the work which they are doing. But this but the but this thing will never uh, grow you. So try to focus on your goals, and not on obstacles. Believe yourself. When negative thoughts come, then they will force you to quit the job, quit the work. But you have to believe yourself. Yes, I can do this, and never give up. Uh, every situation you have to be positive, but never give up. So in this video I am going to tell you about the four pillars of success, achieving our success. The first one is intent. What is intent? Specify your all goals which you want to achieve in your life. Mention it on the paper clearly. No matter how small and how big the goals, um, you should specify your goals which you have to uh, achieve, or which you have to complete in your life. The next one is vision. which go, these goals which you paper mention in your paper, the list, whole list, you have to analyze, you have to visualize those goals. You specify on the paper. Those goals you have to visualize in your mind. Like you have to visualize ki, yes, I am doing this. You have to visualize mentally. Like if you want to get the job in 1 year from now, then you have to visualize like yes, I am doing this work, and I complete this goal, and you are going very great in your job. This means you have to uh, visualize like you already achieved this goal. That means when you visualize, your thinking power, your thought power is very high at that time. That's why what happened ki when you visualize, your thinking power already big. When you open your eyes, then you have the energy already filled in your body ki yes, I want to be um, this type of personality, or this type of achievement I want. Then then the energy then the energy filled in your body, and you will work very very in positive or very in energetic manner. The next one is clarity. Which goals you specified on the paper, or which goals you have to achieve in your future. Make the disadvantages and advantages list. Means clear cut make the clear cut instructions ki if I am going to achieve this, this will benefit to me, and this will and other one is disadvantages. This will affect my life, or these are disadvantages for me or in my life. Then then what are the disadvantages, or what are the disadvantages, and what affecting your life. Make them highlight and work on that ki this type of affection will not happen, will not affect on your future. Make a plan on that, and work on that. Then last one is action. The last pillar is action. Make a proper plan for your goal. Yes, make a proper plan for your goal, and work like your plan. Without plan, you will never achieve anything. Make the action plan, and work like your plan. If some failure come, then plan about the failure. Means nothing will going back. And most important thing is never give back. Always believe yourself, and work on your give all effort, give full efforts towards your success. So this is for today. If you not watch my previous video, I am going to mention the previous video link in this video. Go and watch. This is also very useful for your future, your success. And hope you like this video. Then if you like this video, then hit the thumbs up, comment and share with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Okay, we'll meet soon. Thank you. Bye bye.